What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're gonna be working up with our this website. Okay, we're gonna be adding some more stuff right here. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to just click this and you can see that it is taking me right here. Okay, and what I want to do is that I want to add all the posts right here, and then I want to show a sidebar right here. But first, let's have a look at this animated headline. Okay, what I want to do, I want to drag it and drop it right here, and you can see this is coming. This page is amazing. What I want to do, I want to align this to left. Okay, and what I want to do, you should not miss these posts. Okay, I want to add here in the highlighted text. You can see you should not miss these posts. Okay, and I want to add the dot after text. So this is how it is looking. Okay, what I want to do right here, the style is highlighted. Okay, the shape is circle, so you can choose the shape to be how you want to shape. If I want this shape, you can add this shape. If you want underline, you can also add underline. You can also add the double. Okay, you can also add the double underline. You can also add the underline zigzag, and you can also add the diagonal. Okay, and the strike through or the X. So you can also, let me show you a great example as well. You should be coming right here. So this is like you should not miss these posts. Okay, so this is also a great example. Okay, so this is how you can take it. Okay, and you can also go with the rotating one. Let me show you how this is gonna work. You should not miss these. Okay, now I want to add the rotating text here. Amazing, best, most viewed. Okay, now you can see. So I'm just gonna add, you should not miss these posts. So how this is looking is that you should not miss these amazing posts. You should not miss these best posts. You should not miss these most viewed posts. So this is how you can say. You can also add it. So I think I like this one. What I'm going to do, I am just going to go to the style right here to add the style. The headline is going to be the white. And this, the animated color is also going to be white. So, or we can choose it to be a bit of gray. Okay. What I want to do, I just want to come here and I want this to be like gone. Okay, what I want to do right here is that I want some spacing to the top. And so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to assign the padding right here. So the padding is going to be, let's uncheck this because we don't want to link values together. And I'm just going to assign this to be 20 pixels from the top. And from the bottom, it should be 20. Not 20, 15. How about 15? 15 looks fine, and I want it to be like 30. So this looks cool. You should not miss these posts. Let's just click here and you can see how this is looking. You should not miss these best posts. You should not miss these most viewed posts. So this is how it is looking. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit save, and you can see that I'm totally done with this. So here now what we want to do is that we want to add here the new whole section where we would be showing all the products, all the posts here, and then here should be the sidebar. So let's hit add a new section, and I'm gonna add the full of it section. Okay, this is right here. What I want to do, I want this section to be the full width. Let's just stretch it and let's add the full width here. So you can see it is coming right here. I want 2 columns here, so I want to hit duplicate column in the column section. You can see that this is the section right here and this is the column. I want to hit this and I want to hit duplicate column, and you can see 2 columns are right here. I want this column to be here for this, the percentage to be 675 by 25. Okay, here I want all the post, and here I want the sidebar right here. Okay, so let's get started. What I have to do right now is that I want to go to this guy right here, and then I have to grab first of all the text that is going to show a heading right here. So I just want basically some of the gapping from two words right here. So I want to go to the advanced section right here, and I want to give some margin. So the margin is going to be, let's just hit this, and the margin from the top is going to be 20 pixel. So I think 20 pixel looks good. Let's just go with a 30 pixel. Giorgio. So 30 pixel looks a little bit cool. Okay, I think I should go with more. Let's add the 50 pixel. Let's increase it a bit. Okay, this looks cool. So we have a header right here, and then we have this right here. And now here I want to grab this text. I want to drag it and drop it right here, and you can see this is right here. I want to show all post, so you can show it this all posts and then ... Okay, and I want the sidebar here, so about the search stuff and everything stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna click this right now, and I want the sidebar. So here should be the sidebar. Where's the sidebar? This is the sidebar right here. I'm going to drag it and drop it right here. So you can see sidebar is right here. I'm going to choose the sidebar. Let me show you what a sidebar is. If I just come here and I just click s2.completewpcourse.com. Okay. And then here what I have to do, I have to go to the dashboard right here. And I want to go to the appearance and then widgets. So in the widgets section, you will have the sidebar basically. And for blog, the sidebar works a lot. And for blog, you should be having the sidebar. So you can see that we have a right sidebar here. We have a left sidebar. We have search results sidebar. We have footer. We have footer 2, 3, 4. So you can add this. So we have the right sidebar. So I want this to be the right sidebar. And you can see all the sidebar stuff is going to appear here. Okay, I think this looks cool. And now here we need to show all the posts that we have right here. So I'm gonna come here. I need to style it a bit. I want to choose this to be the black because we have a theme that we can only use the black and blues. So black and white, sorry. Okay, I want to go here. I want this to be full down, and I want it to be a little bit of grayish. Cool. I want to come here. I want to click this again. I want to hit typography, and I want to increase the size. Okay, and here I want to choose the font to be Open Sans. I want to choose the weight to be the 500. So this looks cool. I want to grab the post now. Okay, so I want to come here, and here in the pro elements we should be having the post right here. So let's go to this guy right here, and let's select POSTS. Here we have the post. I want to drag it and drop it right below. So this is right here. Okay, you can see all the posts are coming. So we have 3 columns. We have post per page on 6. Okay, now here we want to show all the posts. Okay, no questions asked. So how I'm gonna do this? So what I have to do, I basically have to work on this. First, let's change this to be like the separator. We add this dash, what we say, the standing dash. Okay, I want to go down, and here in the pagination, I basically have to select the numbers. So you can see that we have the numbers right here, and numbers are coming. And make sure that you come here and you select the post per page to be 6. the columns is this, the image is this, and everything is this. Okay, so post per page are 6 right here. You can also choose it to be 9 if you want to. And you can see that the pagination is coming right here, and that's gonna take us to the next page if we have any other. So you can see this is how it's gonna work. And then we have the skin is classic. We have the columns, we have the post per page, we have the image position, we have the image size, and then we have the image width as well. So now you can see this is working totally okay. What I have to do, I have in the query, I have to choose the post, only post and nothing else, okay? And the order by should be date because we want to show the recent post to the top, okay? So that is why the order by is date and the order is descending because we want to show the recent, that was the recent post. So if we choose the ascending, then it's going to show the post that was created first on this blog, okay? So this is how it works. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit save. I also want to do one more thing with that. We want to edit this. So I'm going to go to the style right here. I want to go to the columns gap and I want to decrease the column gap. Now it looks pretty well. Yes, okay. What I want to do right here, the rows gap should be increased a bit. Cool. I want to increase it more. This looks cool. Okay. I want to go to the image right here so you can choose the spacing of the image, that how you want the image spacing. I think this much is fine. I want to go to the content right here, so you can also work with this. The content color, you can change the content color. You can change the typography. You can, this is the title basically, and typography should be, I think, more increased. The title should be increased a bit. Cool. Okay, I want to choose the font to be Open Sans, and there we go. I want to increase the size right now. Okay, this looks amazing. And then we have the weight. So if we want any of the weight, we can choose the specific weight. Okay, and then we have the transform. So we can also transform it to be uppercase so that every title that we have should be uppercase if you want the uppercase if you want to. Okay, I think we should be using the default one. Okay, we go down and then we have the style, so you can choose the normal, italic, oblique, and then we go down, and then we have the meta. So this is the meta right here. I want to change the color to be a bit more blacky, and everything is cool here. I want some spacing to the top, not to below. So I want some spacing to the top right here, from the title to this. I want the spacing down below as well. Okay, and this should be more as well. Let's choose 8 as well here. Okay, that is cool. I want to change the color of the excerpt as well. Let's just make it full black or to normal. And then we have the read more button. So read more button is going to be full black. Okay, now let's change this to be a bit of gray. Change this to be a bit of gray. This is totally okay. And change the title to be a bit of gray as well. Okay, the title should be a bit of gray. So now you can see that this is coming right here, this is coming right here. So we basically want to give some padding to the left because it is sticking to the wall. So what I want to do, I want to just select this whole section. Okay, and I want to go to, if we choose the boxed, then this looks fine. Yes, I think this looks fine. Or if we choose it to be the full width. Sorry, let's choose the box and let's just remove it. Okay, let's just click here. And this is also looking cool, I think. But I think we should change it. We should change it to be more. I think this much. This much looks cool. Yes, okay. So now you can see this is how my website is looking. If I just click it, it's going to take me to the page 2. So now let's go ahead. Let's just click this guy right here. Let's hit save. And now let's go to our website right here. I want to go to the visit site. And you can see that I am right here. It says the the logo is coming here, the email is coming here, the social links are coming here, and then the all posts are coming here. So you can see the read more tag is also here. So I can add anything pretty well. I can go to the page 2 as well if I want to, and you can see it has taken me to the page 2 right here. So this is now the second page, the third page, and every page is coming. So you can also choose the different pagination style if you want to. If I just come here, I select this one right here, and then I go down, and here it says the pagination. So if I want the different style, I can go with the number, and the previous next also looks great. Okay, if I just select this, you can see this is coming like this. So previous and the next. So this is going to show all the posts like this, and the previous and next tab is also going to appear. So this will be the previous label, and this will be the next label. Or you can just remove it and keep only these labels as well. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit save right now, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to hit save. Oh, sorry, refresh. And there you can see this is how it is looking. We have the 1, 2, 3, and then we have the previous and the next tab as well. It's going to take us to the home page, and it's going to take us to the next page, and it's going to take us to the page 2 right here. So this is the next page. If I just click this, you can see it's going to take me to the third page right here. So this is how it is working. And we have the most recent post, or the last post is coming right here, which is the hello world, which was created by the WordPress itself. So you can see we have 4 comments in here as well. So now we are totally done with our website, and we will be working up with a bit of this guy right here, and then I'll show you how can you create normal post, and you can create it, edit with Elementor, and then we will be working up with this footer right here. And so thanks a lot guys for watching this. In the next video we'll be moving on with that. Goodbye.